Hello everyone out there. Hello amazing humans at home. In this first video, we have this number 5600 and our goal is to get its prime factors. Let's start the solution. Now put down our 5600. Then draw a vertical line. Look at these prime numbers set on the left. Dividing 5600 by 2, which equals 2800. So 5600 divided by 2 equals 2800. Dividing 2800 by 2, which equals 1400. So 2800 divided by 2 equals 1400. Dividing 1400 by 2, which equals 700. So 1400 divided by 2 equals 700. Dividing 700 by 2, which equals 350. So 700 divided by 2 equals 350. Dividing 350 by 2, which equals 175. So 350 divided by 2 equals 175. Dividing 175 by 2, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 175 by 3, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 175 by 5, which equals 35. So 175 divided by 5 equals 35. Dividing 35 by 5, which equals 7. So 35 divided by 5 equals 7. Dividing 7 by 5, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 7 by 7, which equals 1. So 7 divided by 7 equals 1. And we are done. The prime factors for 5600 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 times 7, which can be written as 2 to the power 5 times 5 to the power 2 times 7. And these were the whole prime factors for this number. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumb up and subscribe.